Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Ruike P-801 SF here with me for a quick maintenance video review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's get started with this guy. We're gonna need a T6 for these handle screws. And I see that it's spinning. No, it's not spinning, so that is very good. So that is one, and that is the second one. Very, very straightforward construction. You have two screws for the handle, just a couple standoffs with T8. You're gonna take care of this pivot, which doesn't look to be spinning, and we are happy. And also, come on guys, there's even like a, look at this, a pivot collar in the house, which is always a pretty cool addition. The stop pin is flying around. Look at this grease going on here. What is going on here? Why they use this thick grease to... Let's use one more of this alcohol wipes to remove that grease. We don't like that. I am pretty sure we can improve the action of this guy by a lot. This is just my hunch because I've seen these guys like running on this thick... Oops. Oh. Sorry guys. I've seen these guys running on this thick... grease, and it's kind of like jamming the action. It's not good. It's not good. So just use like a plastic tool if you want to remove the bearings without any scratch or without risking to do any damage. This guy goes here. Then we can clear all this area, just jam it in, clean all the crevices, because it used a lot of grease, guys. So that is done. That is done. This one seemed kind of like stuck, so let's see if we can... All right, not a biggie. You can take advantage of this blade over here and do a nice and thorough cleaning for this stainless steel plastic cage ball bearing system. All right, so that is done. This also done. Blade is clean. Let's also clean up all around this pivot. Wow, this grease is thick. No kidding. Like, no wonder why this guy wasn't really being that smooth. But we are here for this, so let's do this. Should be pretty straightforward here on. We're gonna need this guy right here, and right there is the ball bearing, which you're gonna lube a little bit with some 10-weight nano oil, like so, and then the blade is in like that. But we are gonna need to take care of this pivot and kind of like align it in a way so that, as you can see, this is like D-shaped, so this has to match like that. All right, so this is what we want to do. And this guy we can clean up a little bit, and also we can clean like this guy. I wish this one would have been like titanium. It would have been, because I like this design. It's very simple, nice construction. I like it, but it's steel, so it's kind of like on the heavy side. I mean, not super heavy, but still, it's not the lightest of them all. But I really dig the simplicity of the overall design. little bit of 85 weight nano oil for the detent ball. Maybe it's a little bit too much, but I think it's gonna be good. Don't forget the stop pin, like so. It's not keyed in, right? No. So just like that, and then you can leave it like halfway and make sure it goes down, because it doesn't feel like it went down all the way. It actually is, so that is good. Okay, so you can pinch it, and to make sure okay. It doesn't feel like... okay, now it just snapped in place. So pivot collar and pivot are in, and just, yeah, so this is just not gonna go anywhere. Then we're gonna take care of that, and then you've got the two screws back in for the handle with your T6, and that's one, and this is the second one, and you are basically done. So let's just make sure these are good. It's done. Oh, actually, it's guys, very, very interesting, I have to say. And it's still new, so it still needs like some period to break in, but I actually appreciate this overall action. Blade is centered, there is no blade play. Maybe we can remove, we can loosen a little bit. No, too much. Yeah. Guys, blade is centered. Action is not that bad, especially for like, what, $40 knife? I mean, can't really go wrong. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.